guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna start adventure day one. So we got our butts back out in the garage. As you can see, I'm rocking the PSCA hat today. Give me a little motivation to get this thing going. But over the winter,
my PSA shirt on.
Oh, Seth's rocking his PSCA. Let me flip the camera around.
PSCA.
You can't really see it. It's getting blurred out by the background. But over the winter months, has kind of turned into a catch-all for the house stuff, for family stuff. So I'm gonna kind of get the garage cleaned up a little bit here, get some stuff out the way. About to bust these bad boys out though. Who's ready for golf season here in Colorado? It's more warm days. Get out there and start swinging these clubs. So yeah, we got a few things to clean up. Poor GSX, just sitting there in pieces. Slow car, fast car. Slow car, fast car. So anyways, yeah, we're just going to get the garage cleaned up here a little bit. And then we're going to start tackling the projects on... got to come up with some names for these things. I don't know what the... Right now I'm just calling it the GSX and the Talon. So
the idea is drop some names in the comments. Yeah,
there you go. Good point. Yeah, if you guys got any recommendations, any names. I've had this car since like 05. It's obviously black. I've had this car since... yesterday. It's gray. So this one's a Talon. For you guys that are familiar with DSMs, you guys will be able to tell the difference. But same exact platform, the body features are just a little bit different. Body moldings and all that stuff. So got the GSX and we got the Talon. You guys got any recommendations on names? Toss them in the comments, let me know. Day one. There she is. So in this video, we're just kind of going to do a little walk around. Nothing too in depth. Just kind of let you guys get familiar with the car. Some of you guys that just subscribe to the channel, appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate the subs. Some of you guys know this car very well, just like me. You guys have followed this car throughout the years. Dave Ruby, previous owner. He's had this car, 10, 15 years or whatever. He's had about 10, 15 years. And he's done 2005? No. Oh, is that what it says? Oh, 5. Okay. Well, I apologize, Dave. You have had this car pretty long. About as long as I've had my DSM. But, so he's built it. He's raced it. He's set some crazy numbers and records with whole set turbos and stuff in this chassis. Main reason why I bought it is because it's still a stick car. PPG dog box in the thing. I will never go auto. If I ever go auto, I'll be doing like street outlaw stuff. I think auto should stick to muscle cars, domestics. That's just my personal opinion. Still got the man pedal. So here it is. It's a 93 Eagle Talon. I thought it was a 92. 92 and 93, 94, whatever. They all look the same. You know, from the factory, they had a few different things. But anyways, this is a full-blown drag car, though. Parachute, battery disconnects, all that good stuff. So it's all drive. 92 Eagle Talon. Still got the 4G63. It's they actually just last summer they converted it over to Haltech, which I gotta get a little bit of that wiring cleaned up. It's got an AEM obviously in dash, push starter, all that stuff. Some basic stuff. I'm gonna Dave has done some good things to this car, but I'm gonna put the NesFab touch on it. There's some stuff that everyone's got different tastes, different opinions on the way they should do stuff. So, but up here in Colorado, I'll be racing this thing in the PSCA events. So some class rules that I gotta kind of follow by. So according to Dave, This thing weighs like 2,300 pounds, but I haven't weighed it myself, so I'm gonna have to get probably some weight back in it. But there's interior. Here's a quick little engine bay shot. Aluminum block. I guess it's fully filled. It's got a 76-75 precision. Just pretty much all of the basic stuff you need to put down about 1,000 horse. Magnus intake. It's got 8 injectors, dual fuel rails, mechanical fuel pump. It's got all your, pretty much like I said, your I don't know if you want to say basic, but your basic drag parts to get some fast passes. Got a little 3-gallon fuel cell. Got a custom breather box up here. Got this little fatty ETS front mount intercooler. You know, they kind of got the aero ducts, and they've kind of done their own little kind of wind blocker, wind diffuser there. Got big plans for the car. There's this thing's gonna get me down the track for now, but I'm gonna be doing a bunch more stuff to it to kind of get it up to par. Dave hasn't raced this thing, I think he said, since 2018, and
yeah, it's been sitting for what, 4 years?
Yeah, it's been sitting for 4 years.
Some cobwebs in
yeah, there's actually, here, I'll show you guys. There's actually some cobwebs if you're watching this, Dave. There's a little bit. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but you can see that stuff kind of floating. Cobwebs and stuff, but it's been sitting for a couple years, so yeah, literally got some cobwebs to clean off. And like Dave was saying, there might be some of his blood and stuff hanging around the car somewhere.
Sweat and tears, he said.
Yeah, so obviously these wheels, if you guys are new to the channel or new to the car, those are just like trailer wheels. Those are not the wheels that will be on the car going down the track. Along with the car came these nice rare track light on some ET drags, 26 8.5 inch. So those are obviously the track tires. These are just the trailer tires, just to get on and off the trailer and roll around and stuff. So did come with some new lens replacements. So this kind of broke and flapped off on the way home from Missouri. So got some of those new to replace. Clean carbon fiber hood. Overall, the car's in really good shape. I think he had it painted a couple years ago. You know, they got this wrap and stuff on there. Oh, Ricky over at Rick's Racing was one of Dave's major sponsors, so they threw a little bit of wrap on there to do some advertising for him. So shout out to Ricky for meeting us halfway to get this thing delivered. So I'm hoping, which I would assume so, the paint should still be good underneath that wrap, because I'm going to, hey, what are you doing over here? You eating grass? You don't be eating that grass, because you're going to be throwing up here soon after you eat it. Don't eat that. Gonna get this wrap off. Obviously, I gotta get Dave's name off. Rest in peace to, well, he's not dead, but pulling the stickers off. So we got a few things to clean up. But so yeah, that's just pretty much just a little walk around video. If you guys got any more questions about the car, you know, go ahead, hit me in the comments and stuff down below.